Brooklyn Mitsubishi is your auto body collision repair center. We offer free estimates, free towing to our facility located at 599 East 56th Street. Our services include paint and restoration, ding, dent, hail damage, and scratch repair. We also use the state-of-the-art UV camera technology with full computerized color matching. Our cars are all painted within an eco-friendly spray booths. And we do offer chassis frame straightening repair with our state-of-the-art machines. Call 718-451-1801 or come by anytime to our facility with no appointment necessary. We do work with all insurance companies